Imbube yemhlaba inkosi Mswati wesithathu fulo omuhla lapha esigodlweni kalozithe hlezi yemukele umnumzane Ahmed bin Abdulaziz Khattan lobuya eveni leSaudi Arabia liweluleka emakhosi yakulela live. Khattan akaqali ukudala ekhaya njengoba live leSaudi Arabia liqali ukuthumela umuntu kusate uncusela lona kuyo imbube yemhlaba kusimane ke live leMswati libe ngelinye lemave lelitawuphakamisa ligama leSaudi Arabia mase kukhethwa live lapho kutawubanjwa khona umbukiso wemhlaba wonke ngeminyaka wa-2030 iWorld Expo 2030. Imbube ke ivetile ukuthi live leMswati litahambisa embili yona eSaudi Arabia kuze itawuba semathubeni lasetulu kuwutfola lo msebenzi. Indvuna yelitiko letangaphandle Thulidladla uchaze kabanti.
Your Excellency, we'd like to welcome you once again to the Kingdom of Eswatini, and that as a kingdom would like to reaffirm the bonds that we have as kingdoms. We have very strong bilateral relations with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and would like to strengthen them further. Also, Your Excellency, following the meeting that you had with His Majesty and the pledge that he has made, not only today, but even the last time we were here, he did say that as a country, we commit or we recommit our support for our sister kingdom in terms of Expo 2030. So this is a reaffirmation, and be assured that as a kingdom, you have all our support. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Ahmed bin Abdulaziz Khattan uvetile naye kubonga ukuthi njalo uma eta eveni leMswati wemukeleka ngetandla letfokomele ngakuba nalelikhulu lithemba kusilive leMswati litawubamelela kulo msebenzi.
I had the honor to meet His Majesty this morning, and I conveyed to him the greetings of the custodian of the two holy mosques and the Crown Prince, and their wishes and prosperity to him and to the people of the Kingdom of Eswatini. And also I would like to thank the Foreign Minister for receiving us and the important issues which we discussed together, which inshallah will enhance our relationship in all aspects. And we informed the King, His Majesty, that the government of Saudi Arabia approved to open a new embassy for the Kingdom of Eswatini in Riyadh.
Lokunye lokuvakele asehlangene nayo imbube yemhlaba umnumzane Khattan kwakuthi live leSaudi Arabia selivumile ukuthi live leMswati lakheke lihovisi lwasibalikhulu lotawumelela live leMswati eveni leSaudi Arabia pheceleti embassy. Kanti ke lamanye emave langenele nawo ukuthi afisile kuphakanyiswa kubamba lo mbukiso wemhlaba live leSouth Korea, Italy, Ukraine, iSaudi Arabia. Kanti ke neRussia yayikade nayo isifakile isicelo kodwa yase yasikhipha ngeminyaka wa-2022 nakusuka incushunqushu nelive lase-Ukraine. Etindzabeni temsakato ichannel yeMswati kubika Khanyisile Mabuza, umbiko netitfombe nguJulisa Mamba esigodlweni kalozitha.